Welcome. Today's video will guide you step by step through how to send a GIF on WhatsApp right from your computer using the newest update. Whether you're chatting with friends, coworkers, or family, adding a GIF can make your messages more expressive and fun. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. If you're using the desktop version, make sure you're signed in and your phone is connected to the internet. Once the app is open, you'll see your list of chats on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, click on the chat where you want to send the GIF. It could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat, either works perfectly. Once the chat is open, look at the bottom of the screen where you normally type your message. Now, press on the smiley face icon located next to the text box. This is where all your emojis and stickers live. After clicking it, you'll notice 3 small tabs at the bottom of the window, 1 for emojis, 2 for stickers, and 3 for GIFs, 1 for stickers and 1 for GIFs. Select the GIF tab. This will open a collection of animated images that you can scroll through. You'll find trending GIFs as well as a search bar where you can type in keywords to find exactly what you're looking for, whether it's a funny reaction, a cheering moment, or something simply heartwarming. Once you've found the perfect GIF, click on it. The moment you press it, WhatsApp will instantly send it into the chat. You'll see it appear right there in your conversation, looping beautifully on your screen. And that's it. Sending a GIF through WhatsApp on your PC has never been easier. With this new update, everything feels smoother, faster, and more visually appealing. It's a fun way to brighten up your chats and express yourself in just a few clicks. If you found this quick guide helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might need a little extra help discovering WhatsApp's newest features.